such a crazy little dog.
Oh, you're so sweet, though.
Sweet.
You're so sweet, though.
Jacqueline, he is about ready to fight you.
Yeah, but I will fight him right back.
Oh. Oh, he's ready to fight.
Let's go. Let's go.
And there they go to Mom.
Only because I have freaking food.
Come here.
He's like, what?
Come
That's
here.
really the only time they love me is when I have fucking food.
Hey.
But he's like, he's staring. Jacqueline, don't touch his butt.
What?
He just sat down, that's why. What the fuck are you doing to my child?
I am being Simba. No, I'm being Mufasa. Come here.
Look, the boys are ignoring you.
Sit.
He said no. See, look, he's ready to fight.
Want to fight me? Let's go.
He's like, yes. Look, he's ready to fight. He said, nah, not worth it. Well, maybe it might be. Who knows?
Oh, he also picked up when Lester lays down, he has to be all spread out.
You got ditched, broski.
Want to fight? Come here.
Look, you got ignored. He put his butt. Oh! He put his butt to your face.
He's like, smell my ass.
So he's telling me to kiss his ass.
Lester, quit barking.
Either smell it or kiss it. Look, he's gonna do it again.
Stop barking, Lester.
Are you telling me to kiss your butt?
Yes, he is.
You kiss mine.
He said no.
Yeah.
He said no.
Stop ditching me. I don't want
This is how he fights.
I don't want your butt. in
This
my
is the
face.
non-violent way to fight. Quit touching his... Leave my dog's butt alone.
Look, he moves his butt.
Leave my dog's butt
Come
alone.
here. Look. Like he moves his
Quit touching... He's ticklish. Oh! Jacqueline, that was a warning.
Come here. Lester.
Jacqueline.
Lester.
Broski, that was a warning. Lester said, nah, fuck you.
Stop ditching me.
Trouble.